how can you maneuver around buying fish that is the best fish that you can get? Is it about what species you're going to buy? Is there any real labeling you can look for? Like, how do you know?
That's a great question. So just to kind of break it down, and I'm going to speak broadly, right? So obviously there's nuance to this, but number one, U.S. wild. Anytime I want to get wild seafood, I get it from the United States. We have the best fisheries in the world. Actually, we could feed most of the world with our fisheries alone, and yet we export the majority of it. The third largest trade deficit behind oil and automobiles is seafood. So U.S. wild, number one. Number two, if you are going to buy farm seafood, which more than 60% of the seafood we consume in the world is farmed, which is not a bad thing, actually. Farm seafood has made huge, giant steps forward and is pretty healthy and sustainable. I look for something called the BAP, which is Best Aquaculture Practice. It is a third-party organization that certifies everything from the feed to the processor down to the fish.